Guys, what's up? There is something I want to discuss with you. Very important. If you like, pour me water, insult me, abuse me, disrespect me. So far you are not my God. No. You can never be my problem. Go and find your problem and solve it. Go and find what is your problem, then solve it. Stop putting eye in another man's business. If you are married, stop disrespecting your husband. They in your marriage. Because what I meant is disrespecting your husband is that as a good wife, there is no how you'll be in your man's house as a good wife, then you'll be there gossiping around. If you like, gossip my name. Joy doesn't care. So far you are not God, you can never be my problem. That is exactly what happened. Do you know why I said so? There is some people that another man's problem is their problem. Carry another people's headache. Do you know why I said so? Again, in a compound that you will be living, they will not respect themselves. Number one, maybe they have seen that you eat food more than them, or you are a future millionaire, or they say that you like to stay your own, you don't like problem, or they say that you are beautiful or you are handsome more than them, or they see that your business is flourishing more than their own. They will start putting eyes on you. Those people putting eyes on you, their eye will close one day. On a way they put eye for another man's business, and you know with you one day. Mind your business. You get somewhere where we say you go to sell market. Your neighbor, where they sell that same market, or where they even sell another thing, because of say your own they go where you get a lot of customers. You don't already, people know you. People they call you sweet names. You will see somebody waiting for his own or her own shop. You go to carry bad eye. They look that person. If you know you want to become that person, you talk. You go see, they go to gossiping about that person. Look at the kind of clothes they wear. Now wow. Clothes, see, one side they don't fold. One side don't be like something where they know they iron. Now wow. See in face. See in black. Maybe the guy black or the lady black, they very beautiful. Go say, see in black. The thing just they somehow. You say, now wow, not be this kind of way she did chop. You don't know what that person is eating inside him or her house. You go to talk. Another time you go hear say, now wow, not biscuits. Every time they chop biscuits. The next you go see and go outside, go buy granuts. Go carry plates, they drink curry. Who know they drink curry for Nigeria? Who never drink curry for Nigeria before? You where they talk, you never drink curry before. Carry your mouth, put them inside bag, zip them. If you think that you are my problem, my dear, remember what I said. You can never be my problem because of say you are not God. Assuming you are God now, you say, not my problem. Not my problem. One day, you are not my problem. If you like, gossip from now till tomorrow. You are giving yourself headache. Learn how to be on your own business. Learn how to leave people's problem alone. Focus on your dream. Focus on your children. Focus on your husband or your wife. Focus on what you are doing to earn money to take care of your family. Stop poking nose. Stop poking nose. You don't know how that person starts. You don't know when he don't suffer. Suffer. Do fasting. Do dry fasting. At the end of it, maybe now when you don't see small thing they eat, you can't carry annual for eye paining. Can't they use and they focus that person? You know good. It can never help. And you think that as you are wickeding that person or gossiping that person, you think that someone else is gossiping you. As you are gossiping this person, someone else is gossiping you, whether you like it or not. Focus on yourself. Leave another man's family alone. That's what you do. Have a nice day. I get coconut too. You want chop? Oh. This one are for my enemies. Not for my enemies.